Hey friends, cook dinner with me. Tonight we are going to do our version, I'll show you what they look like, of steak quesadillas, corn, and we are doing some roasted red skin potatoes. Potatoes are washed and cut. We're gonna go down with a little EVOO, some smoked paprika, of course. This is a pain in the butt. It never comes out. All right, hang on. All right, she's a dumper, not a shaker. And I follow so many influencers who do cooking, and they're always using a couple of the same seasoning. Kinder's, they love the buttery steakhouse, cowboy butter, and then Dano's seasoning. So over the next couple of recipes, we're trying them all. So tonight we're going simple. Smoked paprika and buttery steakhouse on the potatoes. All right, greased a cookie sheet and threw them on. I gotta say, it smells good. We're gonna pop them in the oven. So while the potatoes are doing their thing, I cut up my veggies, and we just kind of use whatever we want / have. So I have a little bit of the corn in here. We're gonna have the rest on the side, some tomatoes and some onions. But if we have like peppers or mushrooms or whatever, like that goes in here. We're gonna cook these down first, put them into a bowl, and then we're gonna start cooking our beef, put it all back together and get it all nice and hot before we assemble the quesadillas. All right, veggies are out. I dumped them out. I'm gonna use the same pan, add a little bit more oil, and we're gonna go right in with our cubed steak. Don't worry, I am seasoning everything all the way, like all along here. So I'll get some seasoning going down for this here. We're gonna do like a Montreal steak seasoning, which is one of our faves. And I just did a little salt, onion powder, and garlic powder on this. Okay, so we got our tortilla down. We are using the Mission Carb Balance spinach and herb. The spinach and herb is left over from something, so it's down in the pan. We're gonna give her a little flip. And now we're going to put some of our filling in. I have mixed the veggies and steak. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So I like to kind of like load it like this. Now we're gonna go in with cheese. Here's a cheese situation, because apparently we have mice. Husband, we're almost out of shredded cheese, so I'm just gonna have to take like some of our like lunch meat cheese, and we're gonna have to make that work. So, okay. Husband. We're gonna go in, we're gonna put this down. I'm cautious not to overfill them because I always overfill them. Sour cream, we've got avocado, I put that on the side. The potatoes are finished, they're just chilling in the oven. Wow! All right, then we fold it over and I let it get nice and crispy and toasty, and then I give her a flip. And then we call her done, and this is what we call a quesadilla. I know it's not technically a quesadilla, but they're really good this way. And that's dinner. Quesadilla, some avocado, some sour cream, roasted potatoes, and corn. Woo! All right, I'm gonna go dig in.